Want tomatoes you can snack on right off the vine, or tomatoes ripe before anyone else on the block? There's a variety built for each, and neither one asks you to wait all summer. Sugar Sweetie has a strong, sweet taste, and even though it's technically indeterminate, it only grows on compact 2-foot vines, which makes it one of the few cherry tomatoes that actually does well in a large container. If you want a different flavor entirely, the Yellow Pear is a low-acid heirloom with a sweet, lingering taste, and it's resistant to alternaria stem canker disease. Just know its vines can stretch up to 8 feet, so it needs more room than Sugar Sweetie does. If speed is what you're after, the 4th of July hybrid is bred specifically to be the first tomato to ripen about 49 days after you set the plants in the garden, with 4-ounce indeterminate fruit. If you'd rather skip staking altogether, the Siberian is a determinate, dwarf, sprawling variety, ready in 57 to 60 days, producing 2 to 3 inch fruit with good, strong flavor. Want to snack straight off the vine? Grow a cherry variety. Want the earliest tomato on your block, with no staking required? Siberian gets you there